This is a video demonstration of MV1200S at FM EDM, serial number 04CS1548, demonstrating the cutting and auto thread at FM EDM. It is currently 9:48 a.m. on August 26th. We are at a height of 6 inches. Going to open it. You can see the AT unit is very clean. We just had maintenance done by Aaron at MC Machinery not too long ago. I'm going to cut the wire right now. You can watch the cutting mechanism there. Wire is cut and drawn back to the back as soon as we can. Now we will auto thread, and you can see everything feeding through. And you can see now the wire is threaded and tense.